So, picking up again, this video plays. So you go into your hotel. You're exhausted, probably from traveling or whatever. And you're anxious to see, if you have any emails or, whatever, or look at your Instagram feed or whatever it is. And so for efficiency's sake, rather than using your own network or whatever it is, you're going to log on to hopefully, the hotel's Wi-Fi. So you do that most likely in your room. And when you do, you go to a landing page from the hotel, and we're running ads on it. And this video is an interstitial video, so the video actually pops up before the landing page fully loads. And this video is 15 seconds. And then after the video's done playing, and by the way, at the beginning phase of this program, the video did not have a counter on it or a click off button or anything like that. It just played. But after the video played, you saw some static ads. They're called tile ads because you can see they're sort of right next to each other like tiles. And here's where maybe restaurants, things like that would want to run, because none of the choice hotels has on-premise dining except some maybe breakfast buffets in the morning in the lobby. But you couldn't get dinner or lunch. You have to find a restaurant. So we would run ads for restaurants, etc. That's the little presentation from Hive. Now here's the video that Hulu ran. And I want you to think about Tabasco's and what you think Hulu is trying to accomplish here. Now, before I run it, I want to describe the deal that we made with Hulu. Of course, we tried to get a CPM deal because the landing page is downloaded by millions of people. Something like 85 million people stay in choice hotels every year. It's about 45 million check-ins. So you've got potentially 45 million downloads of the landing page. And every download of a landing page, the Wi-Fi landing page, counts as an impression. So we would love to sell impressions. But Hulu wasn't having it. Hulu agreed to pay us $7 for every person who downloaded the landing page, who then signed up for a free 30-day trial of Hulu. And everybody, you probably know that Hulu is in a kind of a race with Netflix and Amazon and now all these other people, Apple, etc., getting into the streaming business, Disney on its own, even though they're a big owner of Hulu. So adding new customers to your database is the game for these people. And Netflix has a big head start. So Hulu has deep pockets. They want new customers. And I'm just giving you some of the logic here of this program to understand. People who check into hotels are a good target, we convinced Hulu, because they're not at home. They don't have their home television set. They don't have whatever channels they got at home here in the hotel room, at least not on the TV set. And they're going to check into a Wi-Fi versus just going automatically onto their home Wi-Fi. So there's sort of a disruption in the daily pattern for people. And they're perhaps wondering what to do that night, what to watch on TV. And it's a good opportunity for Hulu to kind of stick its foot in the door and say, hello, why don't you try Hulu? So it was a pay per trial sign up deal, $7 per trial sign up. And here's the video creative that they created and ran. All the partners approved it, Disney and everybody else. And here it is. Oh God, there's no audio. Hang on. Let's see here. Bear with me, gang. I've got to make, you know what? Hold on. I'm going to see if we can stop things here.